My name is Professor Andrew Hursthouse and I'm the Assistant Dean for Research and Enterprise here in the School of Science and Sport. I'm delighted to welcome you to come and undertake research towards a high degree here in the school and join with our internationally excellent research community to achieve your goals in terms of postgraduate activity. Our research is organised in two distinct research institutes. The Institute for Clinical Exercise and Health Science, where colleagues undertake research in exercise science and physiology and in sport coaching and development, and our Institute for Biomedical and Environmental Health Research, where colleagues undertake research focused on musculoskeletal science, environmental and earth sciences, infection and microbiology, and in physical and molecular sciences. Our research community is internationally recognised for its excellence in research through our UK's research evaluation framework, which in 2014 rated the two institutes as the highest performing in the university. Our research community is a vibrant one where we try to encourage our research students to achieve the highest they can in their studies and promote their activity both nationally, locally and internationally. We have strong collaborations with business and industry, and we're committed to developing your research skills and to achieve the best you can. Look forward to welcoming you to our research centres.
Hello, I'm Dr. Gary Litherland of the Centre for Musculoskeletal Science. We perform biomedical research into basic disease mechanisms, particularly diseases that involve a component of inflammation. We're particularly interested in important joint diseases such as osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, and we've recently started a major program of work on chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, an important lung disease. So we work on important diseases that present global challenges to societies. CMS scientists work as a highly collaborative team made up of scientists both within and outside UWS, and together we have an extensive range of scientific, biomedical and physiological expertise, all backed up with important clinical links to enable us to do translational research. And we work in a variety of state-of-the-art techniques. So all of this helps us at CMS provide a dynamic training environment for doctoral students, and we currently have around 10 PhD students, all with excellent support in terms of facilities. We currently have a range of PhD opportunities available for doctoral students, focusing on important and emerging therapeutic targets, including proteinase activated receptors. And these projects will focus on particular aspects such as experimental models of disease, cellular biology, inflammatory mechanisms and immunology, vascular physiology and tissue remodeling.
In Infection and Microbiology Research Group, we actually span research areas that focus on environmental issues and medical infections. We're obviously very much focused on microbiology research. We have a very big component that focuses on parasitology as well. So we are studying opportunistic pathogens that are free living in the environment but can incidentally also infect the human host. And we also work with obligate intracellular parasites as well. An example of an opportunistic pathogen is Acanthamoeba. Acanthamoeba is a free-living microorganism in the soil and in water, but in humans it can cause devastating disease. The diseases such as Acanthamoeba keratitis that is associated with contact lenses. So if your contact lenses become contaminated with external factors such as contaminated water or soil, then you could actually put Acanthamoeba in your eye and create an infectious infection. So because there are no drugs available and contact lens solutions do not get rid of Acanthamoeba, Our research is really focused on working with ophthalmologists, so we work with ophthalmologists within the NHS, and we also work with contact lens solution companies to create better products that can prevent infection or treat infection. In the same way, we're also working with tropical neglected diseases such as leishmaniasis. We have a research group focused on leishmaniasis, looking at rational drug target design. And rational drug target design means that we try and understand the biochemistry of each of these parasites so that we can look for effective drugs that will just target the parasite and limit the toxicity in humans and other animals. We also have a group working with us on reproductive immunology and looking at the maternal-fetal interface and understanding the pathologies and the diseases that may affect fetal health and successful birth outcome.
Hello, I'm Mchugh and I am the pillar lead for the physical and mathematical sciences research at the University of the West of Scotland, and we're really working at an interface between pharmaceutical, biomedical, environmental, materials chemistry and formulation science, with very strong links into academia and into industry. We really operate in a very well-equipped environment with great laboratory facilities and computational resources, and that facilitates a broad and diverse range of research activities. We're involved in a number of projects with industry, both at a national and European level, and we're also funded by the research councils. And so we are able to tap into a number of different national and European and international resources that are available. We're really excited by all of the research that we're currently doing in physical and mathematical sciences at the University of the West of Scotland. And we look forward to welcoming you to coming to study with us and to contributing towards our research aspirations and our research output. And hopefully together we'll be able to create some really interesting projects and produce some really interesting results, techniques and technologies.
Hello, my name is Brian Quinn. I'm a reader in ecotoxicology in the Centre for Environmental Research. We have three main research topics. These are energy and resource management, multiple stressors, and human biotic interactions. So the group is made up of 14 different academic staff, about 30 PhD students. So for the research topics, for energy and resource management, we're looking at the reuse and disposal of waste, particularly waste coming from industries such as the metal industry or the mining industries. We're also looking at critical raw materials, extracting raw materials from these wastes in order to try and reuse them. So there's quite a not just an environmental impact focus, but also a reuse and an industry impact, economic aspect as well. With multiple stressors, essentially pollutants in the environment don't occur in isolation. They occur along with other contaminants and other stressors. So in this area of research, we're looking at particularly ecotoxicology, the impact of pollutants such as microplastics in the environment. We're also looking at invasive species, because there's a lot of species that aren't native to Scotland or the UK that are arriving and having a negative impact, potential negative impact on the environment. And also we're looking at things like allotments, urban allotments, soil quality. Is there different contaminants there and what impact they might have on the environment and then also on humans who use them. Aquaculture, big industry in Scotland, very important economically, however it does have an impact on the environment. So we're looking at that. Welfare of organisms, welfare of, for example, fish in aquaculture, but also in the pet ornamental fish trade and the use of fish as pets. And of course conservation of these organisms. Our work impacts on the animals. So we're looking at conservation, particularly of amphibians. And that impact is economic, it's impact and solutions which can improve society, improve industry, improve sustainability, and ultimately we hope aim to improve the environment.
Hi, my name is Humira Ahmed. I'm a final year student at UWS. The area of my study is drug discovery and parasitology. I did my undergraduate at UWS, and I really enjoyed the environment here, and I think the lecturers and everybody, they were very good, so that's why I wanted to continue my studies at UWS. There's a wide variety of projects going on at UWS, and the environment here is very diverse. There's people from all different backgrounds, so it's good to communicate with everybody and collaborate on different projects that they're doing to make yours better.
Hi, my name is Kimberly Black. I'm in my first year of my PhD here at UWS. I'm studying lung pathophysiology as part of the breath programme. I chose UWS to study my PhD because I did my undergrad at UWS and I thoroughly enjoyed my time there. I also was attracted to the breath programme because COPD is a not very well known disease, but it is a silent killer, if you like. It's the third leading cause of deaths in Scotland at the moment. The social aspect of UWS is fantastic. Everybody's so friendly and kind, and it's a great environment to be a part of.
My name is Mchugh. I'm from Kuwait. I'm a first year PhD student at UWS. The people over here in Scotland generally are very nice, so the University of Western Scotland was really helpful. My doctoral studies is Dr. Roderick Williams. I have Professor Fiona Henriquez, Robin Freeburn. They are really supportive in my project, so I'm kind of getting a feedback from them in exactly what I have to do on the next stage of my project. Everyone's friendly here. I haven't had any problems. I mean, they are really friendly. You get to meet a lot of people from different backgrounds, which is good. And yeah, I'm kind of really had fun over here at UWS with other students here.